Hey everyone, welcome back to ToolTalk Pro. Today we're tackling a problem every DIYer, mechanic, or professional faces. Tool chaos. You know that moment when you spend 15 minutes looking for a screwdriver that was right here yesterday? Well, today, we'll dive into the best practices for organizing and storing your tools so you can save time, protect your gear, and keep your sanity.
Because let's be honest, if you can't find your hammer, you might just buy another one. And that's why some of us have 5 hammers in one toolbox.
Proper storage isn't just about being neat. It's about 3 key things: protecting your tools from damage, making sure they last longer, and improving your workflow.
Think of it this way. Tools are an investment. If you leave them lying around, exposed to moisture or banging against each other, you're basically throwing money away. Not to mention the frustration when you can't find the tool you need, right when you need it.
The classic solution is a sturdy toolbox or tool chest. Portable toolboxes are great for small sets of tools or if you move between jobs, while rolling tool cabinets are perfect for larger workshops. The key here is organization within the box itself. Use trays, dividers, and foam inserts to keep tools in place.
Otherwise, you end up with the junk drawer of doom where everything rattles around in one big pile. And trust me, digging through a pile of wrenches and sockets feels more like an archaeological expedition than work.
Another excellent method is vertical storage. Pegboards, magnetic strips, and wall racks let you hang tools where you can see them. It's not just practical, it's almost like workshop wall art.
Plus, it's instant accountability. If a spot is empty, you know what's missing. No more wondering if your pliers just walked away by themselves.
For smaller items like screws, drill bits, or specialty tools, bins and labeled cases are lifesavers. Keeping parts organized by size and type means you don't waste time sorting or rebuying what you already have.
Or you can be like me and keep them in an old peanut butter jar, which works until you need one screw and you spend 10 minutes shaking the jar like maracas.
Now, it's not just about organization, it's also about protection. Always store tools in a dry place. Use silica gel packs or rust inhibitors in your toolbox if you're in a humid climate. And don't forget to wipe tools clean before putting them away.
Yeah, putting away a greasy wrench is like sending it to an early retirement. A quick clean with a rag goes a long way.
There's no one-size-fits-all system. Some people love wall storage, others swear by drawer organizers. The best storage system is the one you'll actually stick to. Consistent, easy to maintain, and tailored to your workflow.
And if you share your workshop, label everything. That way, nobody can say, I didn't know where it goes. Labels are the universal language of tool peacekeeping.
So whether you're a DIY hobbyist or a seasoned pro, storing tools properly will save your time, money, and frustration. It keeps your tools in top shape and your projects running smoothly.
And remember, the best tool in your workshop is the one you can actually find. So treat your tools right, they'll treat you right back.
Thanks for watching ToolTalk Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tool tips and history. See you next time.